Here's how you can make an AI voice receptionist in under 4 minutes. Before we dive right in, let me give you a quick overview of how voice AI actually works. There are three main tools in enabling voice AI. The first one is speech to text, and then your LLM and text to speech. So let's head over to the WAPI dashboard and I'll give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a voice AI receptionist revolving around these three tools. Okay, so once you come to your WAPI dashboard, just go to this assistant settings, go to create assistant. Here you'll get some templates for a quick start, which will autofill in the prompt. But let's just go for a blank template so I can show you how to do it from scratch. And there it is, your assistant's made. So I explained to you guys that the call agent works via speech to text and then the LLM and text to speech, right? So here, this is going to be your speech to text, which is your transcriber. And then your LLM, you can set it from here. And then your text to speech provider, which you can configure from here. So let's just explore these options one by one. So firstly, we have the large language model, your LLM. You have a variety of options. We just use OpenAI mostly. And from here, you can choose the models. Now, some of them are quite expensive, as you can see. But unless your agent is not required to perform complex operations, you can just always go with this fastest one. So this is a system prompt. It's the single most important thing when creating your voice assistant in WAPI, because this is what gives your voice assistant its identity and what it's supposed to do and how it's supposed to handle the calls. So there are a variety of ways to make the prompts. You could go to ChatGPT and tell it what's your business about and tell it to generate a prompt for you. So how you prompt ChatGPT to generate that prompt also matters. So there are specific frameworks on how to do this. If you want the framework that we use, then go to the link in the description below to our Instagram and DM us with the word prompt, and we'll send the framework to you. So right now I'll just go to ChatGPT and I'll copy the response it gave to us from the prompt that we use. And I'll just copy it here. So generally your prompt will comprise of identity of the agent, what's the agent about, what job about, the voice and personality, how it's supposed to respond to questions and how it's supposed to speak. Then the conversation flow, these are the important sections here. And then we have the knowledge base, which basically tells all about your product and your business and any queries that the user is going to ask you. Moving on, next we have our voice. So the text that the LLM produces, this tool will read out that text and convert it to speech. So there are a variety of models you can use here. We mostly like to use 11 Labs, as you can also have a manual voice over here. And then we have some additional settings over here, like the background sound. So if you want to simulate an off-it sound so that your call doesn't sound too fake, like some background white noise. Okay, so next we have the transcriber. This is also one of the most important tools, as I mentioned before, because it's going to take your speech and it's going to convert it to text for the LLM to use. So if it messes up here, there's nothing that the LLM can do for you. Okay, next we have the tools. If you want to connect any external logic, like you want to send an email or take orders or set appointments, we can do it from here. Okay, so to connect your assistant to a phone number so that people can call it and the assistant can call people as well, we just go to the phone number sections right here. We create a phone number, which I've already done. And now I'll show you our assistant in action. Let me just type in my phone number. So I type my phone number in right here. I select the assistant and just hit make a call, and it'll hopefully call my phone. Yep, we've got the call.
Hi there, this is Morgan from Locked AI. I'm here to help with any question, support issues, or just to give you an overview of what we do. What can I help you with?
Could you tell me more about Locked AI? What's it about?
I think you might mean Locked AI. Locked AI create AI voice agents that help businesses with customer support, lead qualification, appointment booking, and automating repetitive calls.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
Like I can hear more.
So that is pretty much it, guys. Now there are some more options you can explore with Assistant as well. So just go on and play around with that. And then there's workflows as well and tools, which we'll cover in another video. Thank you so much.